Fans, and welcome to my first episode of my cooking show, also known as CAILLOU'S Cooking Show. And today's episode is, I am gonna show you how to make chocolate cupcakes. It is the best dessert for all kids and they are so good. So let's get started. Here's the recipe. First we are gonna need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of cow milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ampersand 1/2 cup of hot water, and a cupcake tin. And for the frosting, we're gonna need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of milk and a pinch of salt. So let's start making those cupcakes as of right now. First, on a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. Then add the milk, oil, egg, and vanilla extract. Mix until just combined. Then add the hot water, then slowly stir in the hot water. The batter will be thin as normal. But be careful, the hot water is very hot, so please do not touch it. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a muffin tin with paper liners. Divide the batter evenly among the cupcake liners, filling each about 2/3 full, on the cupcake tin. Let the cupcakes bake for 18 to 22 minutes. Now for the frosting. Beat the butter until it is creamy. Add the powdered sugar and cocoa powder gradually. Mix in the vanilla, salt, and enough milk to make the frosting smooth and fluffy. Then finally, pipe or spread onto the cooled cupcakes. And there you have it. Some homemade chocolate cupcakes. How to like my first episode? I guess it is very cool. So dear viewers, make sure you like and subscribe to Kenny Anime channel by clicking subscribe, leave a like or leave a comment. Have fun watching my new episodes of CAILLOU'S Cooking Show. Bye bye!
CAILLOU so much!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kenny Anime channel. Thank you.